Hey guys, welcome to Coding Mania. So today I'm going to talk about how can you transfer your files and folders between your local system and AWS instance. So let's get started. So this is my AWS account and I have already logged in into this, and now I just want to use my previous instance which I have created in my previous video. You can refer that video for creating this instance. So I'm just selecting this instance and I'm copying this public DNS. Okay, I'm going back to my terminal and I want to connect this terminal with my AWS EC2 instance. So for that I'm using SSH command, which is a secure shell command, and make sure that your permission file is there in this folder, so only you can write this command. So for let's check this whether my permission file is there or not. So in my folder test.pem is there. Likewise, you must have your pem file, so make sure that your file is there in the same folder. So you can write this command ssh-i test.pem ec2-user I have copied this public DNS and paste it through Ctrl+Shift+V and press enter. Okay, so successfully we have connected to our local system to the EC2 instance. So this is done. Now I want to copy. There is a folder called test. I want to remove it. You can create folder, you can remove folder, you can install some tools, you can do everything what you can do in your local system. So treat this system as your local system only. Okay, so for that I want to create my directory, but firstly I want to remove this previous directory. So I'm removing it through rm-rf test. Okay, so this directory is removed. I want to create empty directory. So all commands you can use which you are using in your local system. So I want to connect it to my local system, so I want to open a new tab. So for that I'm using Ctrl+Shift+T for opening new tab. So you can see this is our local system and this is our remote system. So I want to copy this ABC file to my remote server. So for that what I need to do, I need to use scp command and make sure you are in same folder where test.pem is saved. Yeah, so scp-i test.pm, the file which you want to copy. So mine is abc, then ec2 user @ the copied DNS, then colon where I want to save. So you need to specify the path here. So my path is test. Yeah, test. So my path is test /. So I want to copy my ABC file on the test folder of EC2 instance. So I am pressing enter. We need to wait for some time. Yeah, so ABC file is already copied. So we need to check whether it is copied or not. So I'm using ls test. Yes, so successfully we have copied our ABC file to EC2 instance. Now I want to copy a folder. So for that you can use same command. So I'm going back to my parent directory and I want to copy this AWS folder. Please make sure you are where you are writing this command you need to store that test.pm file there, because you need to use this, right? So scp-i test.pem, then a -r and folder name, which is AWS. This is similar to previous command, but here the change is I'm using -r before folder name, because recursively we want to copy the files which are stored in the AWS folder. So then I need to use same thing, ec2 dash user add the copied public DNS colon test slash, because I want to copy my AWS folder in test folder. We need to wait for some time. Yeah, so it is copied successfully. Now we can check whether it is there or not. Yeah, so AWS folder is copied to our remote server. Now we can check what is there in AWS. Okay, abc and test.pm. So successfully we have completed this. And so similarly we can do for downloading any folder file from our remote server. So for that we can use same command, scp-i your permission file temp.pem, then directly you can use ec2 user at and your copied public DNS, you can copy here, then colon the file which you want to copy, which is the whole path you need to write. So for me it is temp/abc, and I want to copy here in this folder, so I'm writing here dot. So through this you can copy your abc file from ec2 instance to your local system. They're saying no such as file or directory. Oh, I have specified temp.pm, but it is test.pm, so I need to rename it. Yeah, so it will take some time. Yeah, so it is downloaded successfully. You can check here.